Right, so I thought I would go over a couple of these examples we're doing today just to make sure you're fine with them. So what you've given is you've got your equation of a straight line, you've got the x coordinates, and then you have to work out what the y coordinates are, and then essentially you'd be plotting it onto this graph. So if you look at the first one, what it says here is y equals whatever x is plus 5. Okay, so all you're doing there is you're just essentially substituting what x is with the value x is taken in that particular moment. So right now x is minus 3, so that's equivalent of saying it equals minus 3 plus 5, and that's 2. If we then look at x is minus 2, so what's minus 2 plus 5, or what's 5 minus 2, that's 3. We then look at what's minus 1 plus 5, again you could say what's 5 minus 1, so that's 4. What's 1 plus 5, that's 6. That one's 7, and that one is 8. Okay, so that's really the method. You're just substituting x for the value it's taken. So if I was to then go down to this one, so 3x plus 5. So if we look at minus 2, so it's essentially you saying what's 3 times minus 2 and then plus 5. So 3 times 2 is 6, and it's a minus, so it's minus 6 plus 5, that's minus 1. We've got 3, and this time it's minus 1 plus 5, so that's minus 3 plus 5, that gives you 2. 3 times 0, well 3 times 0 is 0, so that's why it's 0 plus 5 gives you 5, and then the rest of it should be fairly plain easy. 3 times 1, that's 3 plus 5, that's 8. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5, that's 11. And 3 times 3 is 9 plus 5 is 18. And what you should find here is you should actually find any of these coordinates that you've actually got should be making straight lines. So when you actually put these coordinates down, they should be making straight lines. Now these are just examples that I've given you here. What you should always find, if I just move this one up a wee bit, it's fine. What you should always find though is if it's the intercept, always means, so these are intercepts, so that's your y-intercept. So if you look at that, y equals mx plus c, that c is always your y-intercept, and that's always at the position in which x equals 0. Okay, so that's your gradient, so that's how steep essentially your slope is, and your y equals mx plus c, that's your equation of your straight line.